Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. In this video, we will learn zeros of polynomial. Okay, zeros of polynomial is the value which make polynomial equal to 0. That is called zeros of polynomial. See the board, okay? Zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Polynomials, okay? The replacement of variable that make polynomial equal to 0 are called zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Understand? For example, x plus 5. This is one algebraic expression. And which type of polynomial? According to degree wise, linear polynomial. According to term wise, binomial. Okay. Which value of x make it 0 in this algebraic expression? Think about that. Is it any value which make this algebraic expression equal to 0? Yes, answer is yes. Which value? Minus 5. Suppose we will take here minus 5 in presence of x. The algebraic expression whole is 0. Here is 0. So we can say that this minus 5 is zeros of x plus 5. We can say that this minus 5 zeros of x plus 5. Understand? Second definition, a real number k said to be 0 of polynomial px if pk is equal to 0. One more example for that. Suppose one polynomial py, I write here, okay, y minus 3. Which value make it 0? Which value of y which make that expression 0? So we can write here 3. If we will write 3 presence of y, then that polynomial equal to 0. Okay, it means that 3 is 0 of polynomial y minus 3. This is very simple to find the zeros of polynomial. Okay, or understand about the zero of polynomial. Next definition, according to graph wise, as per graph wise. Suppose I make one graph with this linear path. That linear path or linear line will intersect this point on x-axis. This value of x is known as zero of polynomial. How many intersecting point on x-axis? There is only one. So we can say that only one zero of polynomial. And second, if there are 3 intersecting points in this graph, you see that 1, 2, 3. So how many zeros of this polynomial or this curve? So we can say that 3 zeros of polynomial. Understand? So in that zeros of polynomial, we will find one relationship, okay, in quadratic polynomial. Suppose one quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c, and we will find the product of zeros and sum of zeros. There is one relationship, okay. So see that sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. Okay, product of zeros is c by a. This is simple relationship to find the product of zeros and sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial. This relationship only for quadratic polynomial. Understand? Where quadratic polynomial maximum zeros are 0, 1, 2. Only 3 types of zeros in quadratic polynomial, whether 0, 1 or 2. So whenever we will find the sum of zeros, so we will use this relation minus b by a, minus b by a. Whenever we find the product of 0, so we can use c by a, this relationship. Understand? I hope you are understand.